friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Thérèse-de-Gaspe is a charming fishing village on the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula. It's known as the snow crab capital, and for good reason. Fishing is at the heart of this community, with snow crab, lobster, and cod being some of the key catches here. The local harbor is one of the most important fishing ports in Quebec, and the industry provides jobs to many residents through fishing, processing plants, and cold storage facilities. A must-visit here is the Economuseum of Fish Salting and Drying. It offers a fascinating look into traditional techniques still practiced today. If you love seafood, this is definitely the place to be. This village is located along Route 132, part of the breathtaking Gaspé Coastal Drive, making it a perfect stop for travelers exploring the peninsula.
Thank you very much.
The area is surrounded by stunning ocean views, rolling hills, and fresh sea air that's just rejuvenating. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Sainte-Thérèse-de-Gaspe, Quebec.